Fix the mix. Conquer conjunctive adverbs. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a commonly muddled part of English grammar: conjunctive adverbs, specifically focusing on the frequent mistake of incorrectly connecting independent clauses. Let's untangle the confusion and conquer conjunctive adverbs together. Before we start correcting mistakes, let's first understand what conjunctive adverbs are. These adverbs, like however, therefore, and meanwhile, help connect sentences and guide readers through our thoughts. They add flavor to our language and provide smoother transitions between ideas. Here's an example. I wanted to buy the dress. However, I didn't have enough money. The word, however, is our conjunctive adverb. An independent clause is a group of words that can stand alone as a sentence. It has a subject and a predicate, a verb and the words about what the subject is doing. For example, in the sentence, I wanted to buy the dress, I is the subject and wanted to buy the dress is the predicate. This sentence can stand alone and make sense by itself, hence it's an independent clause. The common error we're focusing on today is when conjunctive adverbs are used incorrectly to connect independent clauses. Remember, conjunctive adverbs are not conjunctions. This means they cannot connect two independent clauses all by themselves. Doing so creates a comma splice, which is a grammatical error. Here's an example of this mistake. I wanted to buy the dress, however, I didn't have enough money. The mistake here is using a comma before, however, instead of a semicolon or a period. To correctly connect two independent clauses with a conjunctive adverb, you need a semicolon before the adverb and a comma after it. Alternatively, you can end the first clause with a period, and then start the next sentence with the conjunctive adverb followed by a comma. Let's correct our previous example. I wanted to buy the dress. However, I didn't have enough money. Or you could write it as two sentences. I wanted to buy the dress. However, I didn't have enough money. And that wraps up our lesson on conjunctive adverbs and correctly connecting independent clauses. Remember, conjunctive adverbs are your friends. They can help you write more smoothly and engagingly. Just make sure you're using them correctly to avoid the common error of comma splices. Keep practicing and soon it'll become second nature. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.